Alright guys, welcome back to Stuck on an Island. I'm stuck with you guys and we're always smiling. Now today is definitely our final day in Mexico. Bittersweet. I kind of really want to go back to Jamaica just because I have so many ideas that I want to do. I really want to put YouTube on a grind. For us, it has been a really great time here. Of course, there's a lot more that we can do the next time that we come back here. What was I about to say? Yeah, Judah wants to get corn for the final time, that corn of the cup thing. She really likes that. Let's just say Judah has lost to Mexico. The food kicked Judah right up in a long time, you see me? So we're gonna get that and go to the Walmart, and yeah, we'll show you that. And then tomorrow's vlog, we should be heading to Florida all day where we'll be spending the night.
See.
Yo guys, it's Judah trying to hold my hand. I'm coming, baby. Your hands have to keep cold for a minute. It's one of the greatest things when you hear other people's appreciation for just Jamaican culture, especially reggae music. Yo, big up and shout out to Bob Marley, even though he's no longer here anymore. It just showed that we little islanders have so much to offer. Like, yo, he was like chanting the songs them as if I him write them. It's a vibe. Alright guys, so I see them selling some bugs here like crickets or whatever. I just had one. When I watch like the TV shows, they say it tastes very nutty, and it does. It tastes like a nutty type of shrimp per se. I'll take some. See? Yeah, see? I'm gonna take some. I know I don't think I can eat all of them, but yeah. You know, you do vlogs. I'm a food vlog person. This is culture. Can I get half? Half, not full? Half. Wait.
No English. Mitad?
See? Okay, no, I'll take it. I take it.
See?
No. Yeah, see.
Oh, okay.
See? Yeah, we do it for the culture, you know. You see me, there are things in Jamaica that when I was a kid I never used to want to eat, like tripe and bean, like them weird things there, but you know, I tried it and it's not bad. I don't think I can eat this whole bag, but it's a perception thing, I believe. Precious. So should I put a little pepper on it, so I'm gonna eat pepper shrimps now. Yeah. Yo, it's crazy, but yo, it tastes like it's a mind over matter thing to me personally. So no need for the pun, but I know some of you guys might be bugging out about it. But yo, this tastes like shrimp, but shrimp with not so much meat. It's just more like an exoskeleton type of vibe. But yeah, to be quite honest, I won't tell myself that I'm gonna sit here and buy this all the time, but one-off experience. Yeah, I'm trying to get Judah to do it, but yeah, babe, just one. Okay. Just put him on a street up fast.
No, I don't want too much pepper on it.
Okay, what do you think?
So actually, I can just cut and solo?
Just trust me, chew it up. Just chew it up. You're not going to be like, oh, it's bad. You're going to be like, okay, yeah. You might not love it, but yeah, it's...
Can I get to solo in now? Like knowing that there's like an actual bug in my mouth.
It's not...
The flavor itself is...
It's good.
It's fine. Yeah, it's no biggie.
Thanks, babe. Wow. You did good. As I tell people all the time, when it comes down to food, I mean, there are a lot of foods out there that persons will look at and score and have, you know, a bunch of stuff to say. But food is generally derived based off of, you know, circumstance, and that circumstance normally starts from like war. Some people do say, especially vegans or whoever, say that bugs are the way towards the future because you can produce so many of them at any given time, and they have a lot of protein. I'm definitely not eating all this bag, but Yeah. Sure. So I see them have, I think it's called Esquites, I believe, yeah. But he has in a cup version, it's the same thing. So, but she wants to walk a little bit more to see if she can find more stuff.
This one's on the car, like
it's more of a vibe, right?
Yeah.
It surely is. I know you like to eat stuff standing up, babe, but maybe, huh?
What?
Yeah. What? We're just looking at what else is down here. ¿Cuánto cuesta?
80.
80? Okay. Just cheese and meat?
Yes.
No bread?
Bread. Fish bread.
See, give me one, whatever it is. So we just got invited to sit down. I'm getting something to eat. I don't know what it is, but I don't really care. I'm pretty open-minded when it comes down to food. Probably one thing I probably would never eat is frog, because I think they're very ugly. But yeah, what I like about the people here is in Jamaica, there are times when there are seats, like two persons sitting down and there's like two spaces left. And like no one really invites you, make it feel like, you know, you can't sit with a perfect stranger. Well, here it's different because, you know, you're sitting beside two perfect strangers and they invited us to sit down. So, you know, that's pretty neat. We're gonna go try the KFC as well because it's good to know the differences in KFCs.
If not, my money's on Domino's again.
Yeah, her stomach is not made from Mexico.
She just gotta let everybody know, huh?
No, I say it because other persons who might travel here might think, oh, they can do exactly what I do. But you have to take into consideration that this is a complete change in diet. Even if you have had Mexican food in the US or whatever.
Totally different. Totally, like...
Yeah.
Beans.
See? Hibiscus.
It's Jamaica.
Jamaica, see?
Yeah. It's water.
I want that.
Okay.
See? Oh, you look good.
Styled by my mates.
Yes. Oh yeah, guys. I picked this dress out myself. Yo, some of the dresses that you wore, I picked them out myself, yeah?
Just this one and the orange one.
This one, the orange one, the polka dot top.
Oh yeah, and the polka dot top.
Yeah.
We haven't been out much for me to like...
Because you sleep every day.
And that's fine.
I'm gonna tell them. Guys, Judah slept until 11 to 12 every day. And one day she pushed to the limit at 1 o'clock and I was just like, yo, bam. Like,
guys, you have to understand, it's very comfortable inside. I like my sleep. I'm here for the sleep. I'm here for experiencing too, but jeez, I felt like I was at home. Can't help it.
You know, for me personally, I like this. I like the attention to detail that they put in the country here with street food. You know, where, look at this. There are small little seatings out there, everybody has their own little touch. People have typical Mexican food, but they add their own little twist to it. You know, everybody's doing their thing. Some persons might not be as banging as others, but everybody's doing their thing, and I really like that. I really wish, that's why I like coming to Mexico, because I think their street food scene is way better than ours. When I spoke to my friend the last time, they do work with the government where they will pay for the space. So it's not like they just set up a stall and just have it here. They do pay for the space that they use, and it works both ways. The government gets some money back from them and they get the chance to actually sell food without having any hassle from anybody. Guys, no, Judah don't have a Mexican Coca-Cola from the bottle. How? Okay, so Judah's a Coca-Cola fan, I'm a Pepsi fan. I want your first impression on Mexican Coca-Cola. Is it much different? People say it's different. Same?
Yeah. If anything, I think it's probably a little bit more flatter.
Flatter?
Yeah. Because at first, like I can taste the acid, but then like when my second sip.
So would you say it's a bit sweeter than like you're tasting more sugars?
Yeah, I can taste it like right away, but that's it.
I think someone says, I don't know if you guys drop it in the comments, let me know what's the difference between the Mexican one and the regular ones that we have. But I think it's a sugar that they use. I think it's azúcar. I don't even know. Maybe I don't know what I'm talking about, guys. So give me some help for those people who have been to Mexico and you know have information, or if you're a Mexican, drop it in the comments. I need your help. Thanks. So my dish just came. I don't know what it is, but I'm a hype it up. You see me? It looks really good.
You're not gonna eat all that.
Okay.
This one is a little bit spicy.
Spicy? Okay.
Yes, but you can try it.
Okay.
¿Perdón? Sí, voy.
Alright, so I like this. Cheese is very stretchy. It's almost American-y, I could say.
Me parece que ya no.
Está bien, si no tienes, está bien así, no pasa nada.
Drop that on my taco and add some spices to it and some onions and I should be good. You like this one, huh?
Yeah. The cheese works with the tortilla, so it kind of balances the corn.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's a vibe. So I got my Jamaica juice. I just love it. It's made with hibiscus. I asked her for what the guy is having over there. It has guacamole and all that stuff. That's just me. I like trying food. And right here, this little street side stop is really good. Alright, so
Thank you.
got this little dish here. Put some lime, some lemon on top. And a little bit of this onion thing. Let's rock. Alright, so if you guys are by any chance around this area, they're called Taco Tincos. Muy rico. Very good. I enjoyed the tacos. So far, one of the better tacos that we've had. The other places I went to, they were like not so freshly done, I think. But these are great. But anyway, we're gonna head to KFC because you don't know tacos.
Wait, I want my
Yeah, we're gonna I really long. Judah asked if they just got hired her 8-month belly. She's showing, guys. So we're going here to get some esquites. I don't want to. Well, you know what? Maybe I'll try to get a marquesita. I don't know.
Your belly long.
Yeah, my belly long. I'm not guide. When I come on to try new food, I will do it. Ooh, marquesita. Babe, go order your esquites.
There's a line.
So where are you in the line? Really? I know a lot of you guys might be watching the videos and you might see people using their hands to touch food. Yo, I see it too, but what are we gonna do? Like, you know?
What doesn't kill you makes you stronger.
Exactly, one of those things. Of course, you know, if you see it being extremely unsanitary, then yeah, but yeah, it's one of those things. So yeah, she's trying to get her esquites over there. I'm contemplating getting a marquesita. Bro, they got biscuits with honey, biscuits with Nutella inside. Yo, most things on the menu like Crispers, but yeah, I'm gonna try something. Guys, just get our order through a while ago. It felt like I was doing the SATs, the CXCs. Brother,
I forgot that thing.
yo, that was one of the hardest type of things we ever for order. But we make it through, we can eat. Alright guys, so we got our meals. We wanted coleslaw, so we got the 3-piece of Judah. But yeah. So we got instead some puree, which is mashed potatoes instead. This is barbecue, right? It looks different. I mean, it's like they have it fried and a spore on something on top of it, but the proof is in the pudding, right? We got some honey biscuits. Anyway, I'm gonna taste it and tell you guys what I think. If it's like Jamaica's or if it's better, who knows? Wow, that's culture shock. One-on-one, no tenedor, no fork.
It's finger licking good.
No fun. Anyway, yeah. And here the area that they don't serve the tops for the cups either.
They have the
They have it? Okay, cool. But yeah, if you go into a restaurant like, but so far I went to Burger King, there's no tops for that. So I don't mind because it's helping the environment. If you don't need it, you don't take it. But yeah. Oh, the potato.
It's good.
Good. Cool. So Judah likes it. I have mixed feelings. It's not bad. That's not the feeling I'm getting, but okay. The reason why people love fast food restaurants because the flavor is generally consistent. So if you're in one spot, you're supposed to be getting whatever. The barbecue is completely different, but it's a good kind of different. I don't mind it. The chicken cooked through. So yeah.
I thought that when he asked me for the sauce, I get it on the side. So I guess the same thing with it being all over my Crispers, but yeah, it's good.
It's good, but it's not gonna taste like the exact KFC in Jamaica. But it's good. Okay. Like some persons will rightfully say, even though it's a franchise, like every one is gonna be different because you know they have to cook to their culture. They have to cook it to the way that they normally have it. But as you realize, the chicken is not raw, cut right through. It's different, but it almost tastes Koreanish. The barbecue feel, no? To me. Nice. So I'm having the regular biscuit at first, and it's really good. It's really good. It's very soft on the inside. Yeah, very soft on the inside. The honey one just is very good.
It's like I have honey.
Really?
Or vanilla. But there's something in there.
Listen man, I get a bunch of people sometimes having some stuff to say about Mexico. Some persons saying, oh be careful, it's dangerous. I mean I respect everybody who's told us to be careful because just like any country you have to be careful. One of the videos I had my wallet out on the table. I did see that because I'm very perceptive. Like I'm always thinking about like worst case scenario. That's just me as a person. But separate apart from that, let me tell you, being here the people are, yo, Judah just a while ago asked the man for a box and then he came and he packed the entire meal into the box, wrap up the bag for everything, and like I don't know, but in my country I don't get this. It's just a fact. I don't really get that type of service from a KFC employee. Them type of service they get normally when you're in like fine dining or whatever the case is. As far as I'm concerned, being here in Cancun, every single person that I've interacted with have been, when they work, they're not working for a tip. You know, I picked up her laundry today and I gave her a tip and she was like, no, I was like, it's for you. Bear in mind, you know, we're supposed to pick up the laundry the day after, but I was like, yo, we're leaving tomorrow, can I get it today? And she did it in express time. So I'm thinking, you know, some extra. And I mean, she did take it, but she wasn't like expecting that I have to do it. And I don't have nothing bad to say about Mexico. I have nothing bad to say about Mexico at all. Of course, the last time I was here, a guy said to me, you know, be careful. You know, walking your camera and whatever. And it's the same thing in Jamaica. I'm doing my job. YouTube is like my job. It's a habit I love. And I'm always thinking, if somebody come and grab the camera, then boy, one of them things there. You see me? Judah said them dead.
A joke.
But you get the idea, guys. If you're in Cancun, tourism area,
You're good.
you are good. This is not even the hotel zone. It's still Cancun, and you'll be good. Trust me. Good hospitality. Mexico City, can't really speak much about that because I hear it's really bad there. But anyway, guys, remember these 3 things: love, nature, adaptation, and always remember,
Keep the link. Bye.